Hiya! My name's Marie and you're watching Marie Stuff. So, how are you doing today? Have you done something fun yet? Well, let's do something fun together. Like, open the Sophie and Toffee elves box. Yay! I have no idea what this one is. Or which one it is, should I say. Right, let's have a look together. Okay, let's push that back. There we go. Right, let's see what this one is. What's this? Oh, this is the 10-year anniversary one. I thought it was the calendar one, but it's not. It's the 10-year anniversary one. Okay, cool. We'll have a look at that in a second. Let's have a look. We've got a nice intricate mould. Yeah, and that's got writing on, which says Sophie and Toffee celebration, 10th anniversary. It's like a lantern. I love this. And then you've got the top and bottom, I think. Or is that a side? I'm not sure. We'll have a look after. And then, oh, what's this mould? Oh, hang on. Not sure what happened there, but my video went a bit wonky. So, yeah, not sure what that's going to make, but looks wicked. Maybe the top, I don't know. Right, let's have a look what else we get. We get, how much is that? Oh, 200 grams of 1-to-1 resin. We get some gorgeous orange sparkly ones. And we get some, what colours? We get Miranda pigment, I think that's yellow and mauve, something like that, I don't know. And we get a light. Oh, wicked. Okay, that's everything. This looks like it's going to be a fun one. Okay. There we go. Not sure how good this video is. I think my phone is running out of memory. So I'll have to get that sorted. But yeah. Here we go. Right, let's have a look at the book and see what it says. Oh, that's the instructions. Here's what we've got. Okay, lantern moulds. Ooh. One random colour, 2 random colours of the Miranda pigment dye, and then we go on to the instructions. Okay. Ah, that's the very top, look. Yeah, I get it. Oh, that's good. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, that's wicked. Whoever did this, what was it? At Vivian Rusin. Vivlane.Rusin. I can't blooming pronounce them when they're all together. That's my dyslexia problem. That is wicked. Oh, and look at that. Look at those. They're wicked. I love them. Cool. Right. That's everything. Looking forward to making this one. Should be good fun. And yeah, hope you liked the video. If you did, like and subscribe please. If you didn't, let me know how I can improve things in the comments section below. But please be kind, because I'm not a professional. This is just something I'm doing for fun. Okay, thanks for watching. And that's everything. But before I go, the next time you decide you don't like the way someone looks, just remember, when you take away all the squishy parts, we're all just skeletons, aren't we? Try being kind. The results might just surprise you. Thanks for watching.